she was engaged to A-Rod. So in other words, this has been going on for, in other words, it was like
this
they
is not a fly-by-night, it didn't just happen yesterday thing.
Yeah, I did air out my vagina, and I did, you know what I mean? Like, I didn't just jump into bed with Ben Affleck. This has been brewing, and I'm not a loser kind of statement. And while A-Rod was cheating on me, but don't forget, Ben Affleck was dying for me. He had to have sex. But I'm going to tell you something. Going back and revisiting relationships, it never works. Listen, Ben Affleck, he wasn't into her back then. I think he was the one who left. She should just leave it alone.
I was reminded that they called off their wedding.
Yeah.
The day before the wedding.
Don't go back. I mean, I think about the relationships in my life. You wouldn't go back. It's like, you know.
Well, I do know people who have married their high school sweetheart after marrying somebody else and having a life and kids and all that stuff. I have heard of it. Mm. I don't know why they are still hankering for that person, but they do.
Anyway.
Hello.
Anya?
Yeah, I'm fighting with cars. There's like one gas station here, and there's 1,000 cars in this parking lot, and I'm next, and I'm trying to pull into this spot right now.